Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rubaiyat.
I'm Dr. Saadia.
We are the local chapter leads of Omdena Dhaka Bangladesh chapter. Today we are going to present and share the demo of our completed project, Property AI, a one-stop solution for real estate data powered by AI.
Let's talk about the background of this project. Bangladesh real estate market contributes significantly to the GDP of the nation. Yet, it has limitations in terms of transparency and information exchange. This makes it hard for people to make smart choices. The lack of reliable data encourages dishonest behavior and makes people lose trust. The current websites give basic service, but they don't have advanced data analysis or complete data for the property. To solve this, we need a system that can show easy to understand and correct property data. This is our project roadmap. At first, we have done web scraping to get the information from the websites. After that, we have done EDA and visualization. After that, we got the insights of the data. We have built two models. One is improved recommender engine and the other is fair price model. We deployed AI-backed web app in the AWS cloud that displays improved recommended property products from a single product search with fair price model. It aims to simplify the user experience and gives a fair price prediction to the users.
So let's talk about the data collection. So we have a total of 32 websites were identified for scrapping. But among those, as the data was scattered over numerous locations and some of the data were outdated, as the website did not update them properly. So we finalized 37 websites which are relevant to our final review. And most of the features were hidden in the property description. Most listings were biased towards a few locations like Dhaka, Chittagong, and different websites had different dynamics and needed some customized script to get the final outcome. So around 20 plus websites we have scrapped and pushed to the GitHub, and nearly 60,000 records were selected for our final data. And we have gathered some insights of the market information from expert in the market working there, and we also matched their information with our exploratory data analysis result, which are very intuitive and interesting. You can have a look at it in the GitHub repository, which is public for view. And this is the demonstration of our website. So we have the home page where we have the problem statement, and we have the details information about the website's project in the Omdena page linked to this. And in the sidebar, we have the two models, that is one's for recommendation model and there is a price prediction model. So the recommendation, we have two finalized models which were working fine for us. One is the SBART and the other one is the TF-IDF. And we have a list of product that is can be selected from the drop-down menu. Based on that, the recommendation is selected in the background with the SBART model. So we can see that if we select the property 4910, it shows the similar product with the location Mohammadpur, and the prices and the similar features are there. And if we select another property, this is for the apartment, the last one, and the new one we can select with the office and the commercial property. Similar properties are shown in the Dhanmondi area with a similar price and the similar zone area, and that description matches. Those are displayed in there with their website link. And we can find out other options there, and we can also select the other model as well. If we select TF-IDF, it also shows us the result based on the model. in the background, and if the result changes in here, we can see the links. If you open that, we can see the link. So this was our recommendation engine. And the other one is the price prediction model. So where we can select the model options of the product, and based on the residential or commercial, or we can see the select residential area, or the sale or rent, we can select the rent. And for a known apartment price, for example, 1972 square foot area with 3 bathroom and 3 bedroom in the Dhaka locations, Uttara zone, the price actually quite matches in the real world scenario. And if you select a more expensive one like Gulshan area, it jumps out to the 86,000. So this is actually the success of this web site and the model, that it could predict the real world cases. So this is the demo of our presentation, a demo of our product, web app. And in the future, we want to improve this user experience, and also the evaluation part of the model. And for the technical lesson learned, we have learned Scapy, Selenium, and the Streamlit in the Python programming language. We also learned a fair bit amount of natural language processing during processing the recommendation of the description of the products. And we have also skimmed through the different regression model. And we're also able to learn a fair bit amount of it, EC2 instances and the deployment environment as well in the cloud. And the project management lesson, we have learned a fair bit amount of the GitHub coding and everything for version controlling, and also monitoring collaborators' performance and everything. And for the project management and documentation, we have used the Notion and the Google Docs for project tracking. So these are the collaborators who have worked very diligently, and from the chapter lead point of view, I'm very much proud of leading these guys. These guys have worked really hard. So Iko, Naveen, Vijay, Farzana, Linia, Umesh, Sarang, Sunita, Farooq, Amin, Victor, Sujit, Labun, Shariar, Shinai Karki, Sachin, Prince, Mohammad Adnan, Neha Singh, Himanshu, Nipin, John, Erical Soy, Pashtab, Sefatul Wasi, Rahul Dev, Linma Didal, Ashish Nehra, Mohammad Ashfaqur Rahman. I thank all of you from our bottom of our heart, and you have been working so diligently that we are very grateful to you all.
We also want to thank our Omdena partners, Veronica Harini for giving the all supports, and Joseph for giving the technical support for AWS.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your patience and everything and support. Thank you all. Goodbye.
Thank you.